Material innovation has long been a catalyst for progress and change in developing sustainable solutions. With the aviation industry pushing for net zero by 2050, the task of designing and launching lighter next-generation aircrafts is critical. A new breakthrough material, LMPAEK Polymer, has emerged as the solution to many of the challenges the manufacturers face. Today, the aviation industry generates almost 3% of the world's CO2, that's 1.1 gigatons of carbon emissions. And with the demand for flights predicted to increase threefold by 2050, that number will only get bigger, potentially over 300% more than levels in 2005 unless action is taken. To address the problem, both the International Civil Aviation Organization and the International Air Transport Association set aggressive industry targets to aim for net zero carbon emissions by 2050, aligning with the Paris Agreement's goal for global warming. So, with it usually taking around 10 years to design and develop a new plane, the clock is ticking for manufacturers to find a solution that will have a radical impact on the shape of aerospace's future. To make planes more energy efficient, you make them lighter. In the construction of A350s and B787s, major airframers have replaced metal components with lighter, high-strength composites, 50% by weight and 80% by volume. And it's having an impact. It's estimated composite planes could reduce emissions by almost 15%. But, as effective as composites are proving, they have also introduced new challenges. For example, the composites used are based on thermosets, which means they can't be recycled and have short shelf lives. They also can't be welded and have long production times, leading to assembly inefficiencies. LMPAEK Polymer addresses all these challenges, enabling the production of faster, greener, more efficient planes. LMPAEK is a breakthrough recyclable polymer that retains all the benefits and properties of composites while improving manufacturing efficiency in both time and energy consumption. A win-win in the search for a lightweight solution that reduces carbon emissions to combat global warming. Are you interested in learning about the innovative solutions that are changing the future of the aerospace industry? Discover more at victrex.com/changemakers. Let's make change.